2, 1, 1, 4, 3. What is that coming from? Do I need to shut this? Oh. Yeah, 2 Brilliance and a Legacy. If you tuned in late, the Legacy in today's breaks are all coming from a fresh case. This is the first box. Did you see what Mickey hit in Disco? Who's Mickey? And no. Disco. Nope, I don't go in the Discord unless I have to, because it's full of dickheads. And my life is a lot better without it. Alright, Boomer. Wouldn't be so sure about that, Michaela. Bailey Smith, 171. Trelaw. What did you hit? 329. Prime draft of the Rat Boy, 53. Captain Sig, straight up Munchie, has delivered for everyone in this break. Isaac Smith, I'm going to save that. Not that there's many bad boxes in a case of Legacy. Sam Mitchell. Dion Prestia, 71. Bailey Mack, 214. First Sig is nice. It's a gold Cadman, who is actually not that great at footy. He needs to get a lot bigger and stronger. 70 of 90. Yeah, you can have a guess. All right, guess the team. Langford, 17. 153, Sam Collins. Michael Taylor. D. Swallow. Don't Google that. 85. $24 pot. Abley. Still don't know if I'm saying his name right. Wanganeen Miller, 20. Chad Warner, 8. Wayne, Josh, just the old guest, just brings everyone out. They previously didn't say hi to me, but now that there's a prize up for grabs, they're all coming out. Virgil, 164, copper. Hello, Dion or Clint, still signed into the wrong account. You never know what you're going to get there. Ken Hunter. Bailey P, the superior Bailey, of course. Nick Blakey, the superior Blakey. 95 on the Terry Wallace. 101 on that Blakey. Himmelberg, 143. Not too bad, Joshy. What have you been up to over there? Judd. I've been too busy to be anything else. Michaela managed to get the 35 flat Brownlow Dacos predictor. Sell. I took $12.50 for the 0-1 for a rough idea. $2.38. Tom Mitchell, 58. A lot of golf. Doing it tough as usual. Jack Mack, 121. Bartel. Alright, let's do this. Got Isaac Smith hiding him. Get all this off the back. That's rubbish. Oh, piss. It is the Ruse. 156 on the Smithy and 57 on the Luke Mack and Simpkin. Simpkin, eh? Yes. North in Millsy Mills. Is he here? He's a Hawthorn man. Why is he buying these guys? Smart. Love the double six. I prefer single myself. Our first look at Old Brilly. I have not got a lot of this. Mainly because some other people have got all of it. Rat, mate. What are you saying? No one guessed the Ruse. That's a good cheap start for True Footy. Alright, goes this way. It's a gold. 17 of 35. It's the Horn Dog. Bailey's, mate. For Port. And it's a Premiership SIG. Oh boy. Well, if you didn't get the North Melbourne one, then guess this. There's only a few teams it can be, so not many of you will get a guess here. So hurry up. Is it 5 it can be? Good start. It is a full mess. Just time them out if they upset you much. Where's the number? It's 08 of 50, and it is very nice for the Bombers. Hurd and Andrew Alabakis. He's a big Bombers man. Is he watching? That is it for 2-1-1-4-3. That is a great start.